Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make an app using Gemini. First, we'll explore Gemini's powerful AI capabilities and how they can enhance your application. Then, we'll define your app's core purpose and key features. Finally, I'll guide you through setting up your development environment, ensuring you have all the necessary tools ready to begin your exciting journey. Next, let's focus on design. Start by outlining your app's user interface and ensuring a smooth user experience. Then, define the data flow and backend logic that will power your application. Crucially, select the most suitable Gemini APIs to implement your desired features, leveraging its advanced AI for intelligent interactions and robust functionality.
If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's perfect for playing music or getting quick answers, just like your app will provide. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now it's time to build. Develop both your app's front-end and back-end components, ensuring they work seamlessly together. Integrate the chosen Gemini APIs to bring your AI-powered features to life, creating dynamic and intelligent interactions. Remember to implement robust error handling and strong security measures to protect your users and data effectively. After building, rigorous testing is essential. Conduct thorough testing of all your app's functionalities to identify and fix any bugs. Gather valuable user feedback to make iterative improvements, ensuring your app meets user needs. Finally, optimize its performance and refine the user experience, making your Gemini-powered app truly exceptional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.